stadium, the passion, the support you guys bring is what drives the team. I can tell you as a sportsman, when we see fans in the stadium, in the stands, cheering for the team genuinely is what drives us in those tough moments. And you guys have been the most loyal fans, and I just want to thank you all for that. But I think what's happened in the last 2 years has been at a different level, and one person who deserves a lot of credit for that is our coach, Sergio. The vision that he's brought into the club. The vision that he's brought in, I was just talking to him in the change room, the understanding of what the club needs, where the team needs to head, and the larger vision is something that is very difficult for a lot of people to understand. But he understands it so well, and that's why you see that drive in the team. You can't just play like that if you're just focused on things that don't matter. The team focuses on the things that matter, and they play for the love of playing for SC. I think he's taken it to the next level in the last 2 years. And I think we played the best football in the last 2 years.